Welcome to ANR Solver question 23. A is the point, they've given the points of A and B. We need to find the midpoint of AB. So how we do that is we use the formula of midpoint. So x2 plus x1 divided by 2, comma y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Now we have all the values, all we need to do is substitute. So 2 plus 7 by 2, comma minus 5 plus 3 by 2. So 2 plus 7 is 9, so 9 by 2, comma minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, so minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. Therefore your final answer for part A will be 9 by 2, comma minus 1. Now let's move to part B. Find the equation of the line through A that is perpendicular to AB. So for that, first we need to find the gradient of the original line. So let's label that as M1. So M1 is equal to x2, my bad, you need to use y in the numerator, so y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So your y2 value is 7 minus, it's minus 5 minus 3, and your x2 value, which is 7, minus your x1 value, which is 2. So you're left with minus 8 divided by 5, which is your gradient. Now to find the gradient of the perpendicular line, you use the formula m1 multiplied by m2 is equal to negative 1. So we know the value for m1, which is negative 8 by 5 multiplied by m2 is equal to negative 1. So what this basically means is that you're taking the negative reciprocal of your original gradient. So your final answer for m2 would be simply 5 divided by 8. Now let's rewrite this equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to 5x by 8 plus c. Now they are telling us that the line passes through A. So we use the coordinates of A to find the coordinate of C, or the value of C. So the coordinates of A is 2, 3. So y is 3 and x is 2. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So 10 divided by 8 plus C. Now you can simplify 10 by 8 as 5 by 4. So 3 is equal to 5 by 4 plus C. And you can take 5 by 4 to the other side of the equation. So when you take positive to the other side of the equation, it becomes negative. So 3 minus 5 by 4. Now to do this calculation, you need to take the LCM, as you want to leave your answer in the fraction form, not in a decimal form. So what you do is you multiply 3 with 4 as well. So you're left with 12 minus 5 whole thing divided by 4. And therefore you have your C value now as 7 by 4. And therefore you can rewrite the equation of y equals mx plus c as y equals to 5x by 8 plus 7 by 4. So therefore this is your final answer for part B.